Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Izzy. So today's going to be a whole lot of a different style of video. It's going to feel a little bit like a commercial in the fact it kind of is a commercial. I want to show you a new product that we've been working on. If you've been following me on Instagram, you pretty much know what I'm talking about, but we're going to show you some of the cool details about that today and talk a little bit about our in-feed tables and the changes that we made to continue to make products better and better, and kind of why we're doing products here at Maker's Playground. That's all coming up. So I like to design products. It's one of my favorite things to do. And really, I like to design products that stop struggles, stopping the struggle, making it easier to do what we do in the shop. About 5 months ago, we released these. This is an in-feed table that snaps onto your table saw. And we have this cam under here. When you push it, it locks it in place. Well, in the interest of continued improvement and making a product better and better, we switched those to a push-pull toggle clamp, which snaps on really easily. In this case, the difference was really simple. They both work, but with the cam, when you lock it in place, up on top here, there's some slight movement. It wants to pull it to one direction, which is not a huge deal. You can simply offset that before you cam it into place, and it works. But you have to do that. So to stop that struggle, we switched to this toggle clamp, and no more problems. So I was really excited about this product, and apparently you guys were too. The orders were incredible, and it took us a couple of months to get caught up and to get everything worked out, but we did, and that was really cool. So this was a fun product that really made it a lot easier to do things with your sleds, for instance. With your table saw sled, if you have a bigger one like I do, you can bring it way out here so you can set wider material on it comfortably. Or if you have a tapering jig or a straight edging jig, you can bring larger material out because this will support it, and it really works well, and we've been using it a lot in the shop, and many of you have too, and thank you for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. So this product stopped a struggle. Now, one of the bigger struggles in shops is dust collection, and I wanted to make dust collection a little bit easier. So I built a system using a 1 horsepower Ricon with the bag collector. Let me show that to you. This just hangs on here, and I can pull it to tool. Now, I know some of you guys have full shop dust collection, and that works for some people. For others, it doesn't. In my case, I don't like full shop dust collection. I have a big dust collector that sits on the CNC, but at the other tools, I collect dust at the tool. First of all, I don't want to dump a 55-gallon drum out. I'm getting older. Those things are heavier than snot. And I don't want pipes everywhere in my shop. It makes it difficult for filming, and it just is, I think, a less comfortable environment. And if I'm in an environment that I'm comfortable in, I'm gonna work more, spend more time out there. So we designed this, and it's just a 1 horsepower Ricon that we put on a cart, so we can easily pull it from tool to tool. Now, the first problem we had was the bag. Putting these bags on and getting them to stay quickly, it was just was an inconvenience. So we designed this Quicklox system right here that snaps on and snaps off. So now the bag is easy to take on and off, unzips at the bottom, we can take it and dump it, and then we can blow it out as well. So very, very handy. The next thing we did was think about how are we gonna attach these to the different tools that we have in our shop. So basically, another Quicklox system. What you see here is HDPE, 2 layers of it, with the ring that screws into a piece of 3-inch or 4-inch OD PVC, 3 shoulder bolts, and a closed cell polyethylene grommet that keeps the airflow from, sneaking past. When we need to use a tool like this, it's just a matter of walking over and snapping it in place. It's that fast. Now, we started with the 4-inch. This is a product that we will have on our website, or do have on our website. And we also have 2.5 inches coming, and then we're gonna do some bigger ones as well, like 6 and 8 for more industrial style uses. But this is a cool product. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more about it. So here at the planer, again, we have a Quicklox system. Pull our dust collection over and just snap it right into place. You hear that snap? I love that sound. And then I'm ready to go again. Now, with the dust collector like this, or with a planer like this, sometimes having a hose out here is a little bit of a problem, and I wanted a better way to control and manage that. So what I did is I put a 3-inch 90-degree connector or 3-inch PVC 90-degree connector on one of our kits, and that allows me to control the hose and keep it right out of the way very easily. So it's just a fun little thing that we can do. And they connect very, very quickly, which just makes it super pleasure to use. And it's, when you can do something easily, you're much more likely to do it. So the reason we're not doing a build video this week is because we've been busy doing other things, like building a buttload of them. All right, so moving forward, we're gonna be introducing more product. On my channel, I wanna do less and less sponsorship stuff. Not that I won't do some of it, as long as it's endemic to woodworking and I think it has a high value for you guys. In that case, I'd like to. But we are interested in developing and making really good products. For instance, this right here is made out of 4 layers of recycled HDPE. Fancy word for plastic. A nice, durable plastic. In fact, they use this stuff for cutting boards. So HDPE doesn't like to be glued, so each one has to be fastened together with fasteners. And that's a little bit labor intensive, but it really makes for a really nice system. Now listen to this. This is my favorite part. You hear that little click? I spent extra hours at the design table making sure there was a click. I love that sound. So if you are interested, when you buy a kit comes with what we call the dust plate and the tool plate. Dust plate connects to the dust collector, tool plate to the tools. Now on this online, we'll have videos about how to install them and more information about them, and I'm not going to get into that here, but I just wanted to show you the basics. Now obviously you're going to need more tool plates than dust plates, so we made a lot of extras. So these are available on izzyswan.com, my website, right now, and we're going to start shipping these on Thursday. Now, we're going to make batches as quick as we can. When we run out, well, we'll list more when we have them made. So if you're interested, go ahead over to the website and check them out. I do want to mention that we did one more thing that I think is pretty cool, and we're going to show you that right now. A lot of you guys are all about making your own stuff, and I didn't want to leave anybody out. So we made some wood templates to make your own quick connect systems, or Quicklox as we're calling them. Did you hear the snap? I love the snap. So the wooden templates will be available on website as well. Now these are actually very interesting because you can turn the templates right into one of the Quicklocks, but you can also use it to make more Quicklocks. Now the reason we're not shipping until Thursday is because we have a few more product videos to get done to put up on the website. So if you're interested in the wood templates, there'll be a product video on that particular sale showing you how to use these to make more Quicklocks, basically. And we got to get that video finished. That one will be done in a couple of days and up there, so if you buy them, you can come back and check out how to use the templates right there on the website. We also need to do a couple more videos for these that'll be up on the website, so when you get them, if you buy these, you have any questions, those questions will all be answered right on my website. I love that. All right, so they're available on the website. If you guys are interested, you can check it out there. Of course, links are in the description box below. And again, if you have questions about these, over the next couple of days, we'll be adding more product videos to the website so you can learn more and more about them if you're interested. If you're not, that's okay too. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next build video.